राज्यपाल ढुकছে একটু বেশি করো ইনজেস্ট করো দেখো 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 দিয়ে দিয়েছি এই যে নাপছে হ্যাঁ ধরো 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 দাদা সামনে ঢুকে দাদা 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 দাদা
except those in the ICU, and also being taken care of very well. Medical care is going on. This has been a tragedy in which all of us will stand together. All steps will be taken for the rehabilitation of those who are hospitalized. We also stand in solidarity with the bereaved family. This is a case which should make us introspect. Certainly, what action will be taken? The Railway Minister has rushed to the spot. Railways are taking care of the requirements, mitigation, rehabilitation, rescue operation, everything. Best possible has been done. Best possible will be done. Actually, this is the time for us to come together. All the stakeholders must come together. It is hour of crisis, and be with the people who are the sufferers.
But do the railway need to be very vigilant regarding this, because last year also we had seen the same scenario.
It is said, accidents are not accidents. There will be a failure of machinery or man. This is something which has to analyze later. Now is the time when it's time for action, and everybody is together for action. We will certainly do whatever is required for the rehabilitation of those who are injured. After that, we should also think of how best the safety system can be improved.
So CM is raising question over the anti-collision system that has not been improved in the railway system. What do you say on this?
See, there is a well-studied report on improving the railway system by Mr. Anil Kakotkar, who was earlier the chairman of India's Atomic Energy. That report gives a lot of suggestions of how to improve the railway has been doing, and under the dynamic leadership able to ensure that further improvement will be done, and railway will certainly spruce up to see that such accidents do not happen or reduce in future.
Thank you.
No blame game now. This is the time for us to act. It's a crisis. All of us should stand together. No blame game now.
Thank you very much.